What's up? It's Jay Johnson back at it again, and I got another unboxing. Today I have the Garmin DriveSmart 61 North America, and you may wonder why I have a GPS. Well, basically, you know, everyone uses their phones now, or they have them in their cars. I don't have one built into my car, so I've been using my phone. But one thing I've been wanting to do is, even though it's nice having everything in my phone, it can do everything, I want to be able to separate it and not have to depend on my phone as much. So one of the things is having a GPS. This is the DriveSmart, like I said, 61. Some of the cool features about this is that it's a 6.95 inch screen. It has Foursquare, which I don't know if anyone uses that still, and TripAdvisor built into it. It has voice activated navigation, which means if you're driving, you want to go somewhere, you have an address, you can speak it into the Garmin and get your directions. It also has Wi-Fi, so you don't have to connect it to your computer for updates, and it has Bluetooth with hands-free calling, so you can use this if you're, most cars have that, but if you don't have that, your car, you can use that on your car. It also has live parking, so basically if you are, let's say you have directions to go somewhere in the city, you get there, this will help you find parking and give you the prices of how much the parking will cost you. What else we have here? It has driver awareness, which it is after so many hours of driving, it'll let you know, like, hey, you need to maybe take a break. It also has sensors where if you're driving down the wrong one way by accident, and it also has a feature where, a lot of times when you're driving, it tells you to turn a right at such and such street. Well, this will tell you, like, turn a right on such and such street, or turn a right after the McDonald's or after the red house. So it has those features, DriveSmart features. So we open it up and we're greeted with the monitor or screen, and as you can see, this is pretty big monitor. Let me grab everything else out first, and then we'll see if it has any power. So you get your cords, charging cords, your mounts. So it's pretty simple stuff. Wow, that's a nice. It's supposed to be like an edge-to-edge type screen. I don't know if it has any. This runs off for about an hour without the cord. I don't think there's a power button on here, so you must have to plug it in before it. Oh, there it is. My bad. Back here. It's a power button. So let's see if it has any juice. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, there's no juice, but it looks like it's a nice big screen. It looks like there's a bezel over here, as you can see, but not much bezel over here. So it's going to be a pretty nice size screen for a GPS. If you want, I can do another video, like a follow-up video if you're interested. But I definitely wanted to get something like this, and with all the features, like I said, with all the different things that this will do, it's nice not to have to depend on my phone. I don't want to have to always depend on my phone. I want to be able to, I can use this. It's a lot bigger than my phone, and you never know what's going to happen with your phone. I don't know what's going to happen with the signal, or you're in a bad area. All those different things. So again, this is the unboxing for the Garmin DriveSmart 61. If you want me to follow up with maybe once it gets charged up, like a rundown or my thoughts on it. Hit me down in the comments, let me know. And if you want to subscribe, go ahead and do that. And hit me up with that thumbs up. All right, until next time, peace.